This is B-boy ZOOTY ZOOT from South Korea. I represent Jinjo Crew. Welcome to my course. I'm gonna teaching some classic power move to classic flow. My course will be about like classic power move, and some people don't know how to flow from the power move. So I'm gonna give you some my open source like sample. You guys get it, and after that you guys gonna growing. Welcome to my course. My first lesson is I call elbow airflare to just classic flow, like split flowing. So I'm gonna show you now. If you guys wanna take this move, you guys need some first elbow airflare. You guys don't need the good quality elbow airflare. Just do like this, like very high, and only one round you can. After that, you guys have to do like this move. We call this freeze, we call split. It's like almost like footwork position to going to split and just down. So we do together. It's like combination to split. Yeah, easy. If you guys don't wanna do from power move to flow, you guys can switch, like change from the basic footwork to split. So you guys can try from anywhere. Okay, now I show you some other moves, like strikes to split, or like just head spin to split. Yeah, you guys can get everywhere. Welcome to my course. My second lesson is I call Airflare to shoulder freeze. It's like also feel like flowing. I show you. If you guys get this, you can do flowing like to this or like this. It's like freestyle. Just do from airflare or elbow airflare and getting down like to shoulder freeze. It's not actually shoulder freeze. You guys can get down by your foot like this. So it's not much hurt, so just try. I show you some after do the down to the shoulder freeze and to flow. And I show you more slowly, like after airflare and getting flow and down. It feels like your finger is getting inside. It's gonna be sliding to shoulder. So you guys can practice from here, like when beginning the power move, just down. After the shoulder, you guys can just drop your knee and do some footwork, or from here to going front and kick and footwork something. That's it. Welcome to my course. Third lesson is 2000 to inside bridge. Also, you guys have to do this spin, and when you guys get finished, don't take off this hand. Just going inside to, we call bridge like this. If I do together, like this. So if you guys take this, when some b-boys just do 2000 and do finish, it's be like stop. So if you guys get this move, you guys can do keep flowing like this. Now I show you how to get to inside bridge. Like this hand and this leg have a just going inside, and it's like freeze. And you guys have to practice just a classic bridge, and the leg is just like footwork, like this. So practice. Welcome to my course. This is first lesson, and I'm gonna teach from swipes to push to freeze. I show you first. I'm gonna teach how to do like basically the swipes is kick, but I do when kick is going inside this part like this, and do freeze like this. Once again, freeze, and this leg feeling like big like this. And after this, touch down and push to shoulder press with this leg style. So if I do together, feeling like now I show you one more, and very slowly. You guys have to catch the more small detail. It's like swipes position to switch this leg going inside, and freeze this position to feeling and push this freeze hand to shoulder press, and also this leg is keep straight. You guys can do before this move something like 99, Airflare, whatever you do. I try to before other moves. when I made this move, I wanna showing something like after power move to flow, feel like more weird feeling. So I wanna showing some weird feeling when people's watching me, feeling weird and shock and more fresh movement. So I made this, and you guys have to take it and switch and flipping and get it. Welcome to my course. This is 5 lessons. This is my last lesson. I'm gonna teach from CC to inside flow. Also, we can use it, this move before. We can do some flare, air flare, elbow air flare, halo something. Everything we can do. I show you something. If I do from Airflare to CC, this position to just flow and do whatever you do. So first of all, you have to do CCs to going inside flow, and after get this move, you do whatever you do, like flare, CC inside, or like this. I show you how to enter to flow very slowly. Get this position to your other hand is going inside, like sliding, and this leg also going inside. Now I show you same concept, but before that concept, I do ground moves. This transition is very simple thing, so if you guys get this move, you guys can get make some your new flow or continue from the power move or more finish skills. You guys can make yourself. So get it and flipping.